Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to make Excel in dark mode. A like and subscribe support the channel. Let's get started. Unfortunately, there is no complete dark theme in Excel, but still something can be done. So first, let's change the color of the toolbar to black. Select the File, Options, and in the window that opens, go a little lower and find the Office Theme setting. There are three options available to us: dark gray, classic black and classic white. We choose black. As you can see, the worksheet is still white. Let's change that. Select the entire worksheet by clicking on the arrow in the upper left corner or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A. Now select the Cell Styles button. In the window that opens, you can already select the color of the worksheet from the preset options, but we will make the worksheet entirely black. And to make border clearly visible, duplicate one of these three styles by right-clicking and choose Duplicate. We give some name to this new style, for example a new style. Click the Format button, select the Fill tab, then select Black, so that our worksheet becomes completely black, and be sure to go first to the Font tab and change the font to white. And then to the Border tab, here we select the outline and change the border color to white and click OK. And again OK. Did nothing happen? That's because we didn't choose our newly created black style. Click Cell Styles and select our new style, and the entire workspace turned black. And if some fill or border color doesn't suit you, you can always change it by right-clicking on the new style and selecting Modify, and then Format. Well, then you know everything. And if you have Windows 11, you can use the preset themes in Windows 11. We click on the Start menu icon, select Settings, then Accessibility, and choose Contrast Themes. And here you can choose any of the preset themes. For example, choose Aquatic and then Apply. Let's see what Excel looks like. Now Desert. Desk, in my opinion the most interesting theme, and last one, Night Sky. And to return the default theme, select None. Keep in mind that changing the theme will affect all applications. It's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.